Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to get free FIFA points in FIFA Mobile. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to tap on the market. hmm And then when we tap on the search icon, okay, so let's type out here the free underscore and then okay, free underscore FIFA 2023. I mean, FIFA Points 2023. Okay, so you will just have to type out this and then saved it. Okay, and then tap on search. Mm-hmm. And then right after that, just wait for 8 seconds, I guess. And then tap on this bin icon. And then let's go back to the main page and then tap on store. And then okay, from here just tap on the FIFA points and gems. As you can see, there are a lot of packs in here. So you will just have to choose one of this, okay, for you to open and then redeem a free points. Okay, so let's choose the best option among this. Okay, so for example, I am going to try opening this pack. Okay, so just tap on it. And then you will just have to add your details here if you want to proceed and get the packs. Okay, now let's go back to the main page. Okay, and then tap on the market again and then tap on the search option and then type out this for the last thing that you should do. FIFA points 23. I mean underscore 23. And then right after that you will just have and then you will receive a points from FIFA Mobile. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.